Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to disable startup apps on Windows 10 or 11. So for both of the operating systems, the system is the same to fix that. So it means that suppose you have bought a new laptop or a new PC. So when you turn it on, the PC or computer was very fast. But over time, the PC gets slow and it's just not give you the performance as before. So it's for the apps that get started when you just turn on your PC or laptop. So there's a fix you can follow to disable them. What you need to do is just to head over to the search section and search for startup apps. Start startup apps. So once you do that, head over to startup apps. You can also navigate it from settings option of your PC. So once you are there, you can see there are the apps that are turned on for the startup option, and you can also sort them by name, status, or startup impact. And the startup impact means how much impact it provides on your processor while starting off your computer. So as you can see, it is high impact. Some of them have no impact or low or medium impact. So what you need to do is just to turn off the necessary one you need to turn off. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.